All right, hey you guys, it's April 5th, 2022. I have something I want to share with you that I was told last night in a dream. And I'm going to be honest, I don't know what it means. Reason is, I have never ever been led to study the planets. I know that there's been a lot of talk about Nibiru. I've just never been led to even listen to them. And it doesn't mean that it's because it's wrong. It's just because I've never been led. And I think it's because I just wasn't made, or just wasn't meant to know. I told you guys a while ago, I try not to watch anybody's videos so that I can keep my mind clear. Because I know that if I'm watching a TV show or if I'm worried about something, I'm going to dream about it. So I want to make sure that when I'm hearing from God, I know it's from God. So I try to keep from watching a lot of other different videos. So again, I've never studied this stuff. I don't listen to any of the prophecies. I know they're out there. And so I want to share this with you guys so that maybe one of you guys can help me out and let me know if there is any prophecies or dreams out there about planets. Now, I do know that in the Bible it said that Jesus will be showing us signs in the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars. And so I believe this is what it is. And also, I did send this off to Mr. Paul Begley because of some past things that him and I had dreamed about and stuff. So I do keep him updated. I know that he does a lot of different stuff. But again, I don't watch him either. I love Mr. Begley, but I don't watch anybody. And I think it's cool because this way, when God needs to show me something, I know for a fact that it's from him. And stuff like this is always quick and to the point, and this is what it was. So what I heard last night was, okay, in the dream, in the setting, I had a knowing that we were all expecting something, but we weren't expecting it for a while, or we didn't think it was going to happen for a while, okay? So as I was feeling this feeling of just, I don't know, just a feeling of what overall everybody was feeling, that we had time, a woman walked past me. Her name was Jenny, and I heard her say very clearly, 2 planets are going to change in 1 to 2 days. Now, is this literal or symbolic? I don't know. I'll be honest, most dreams are symbolic. But I have had literal dreams that have passed. And I'm going to take this as the literal for now. We'll see what happens in the coming days and what maybe you guys can help me with by letting me know if what is going on out there prophetically with planets. So I also knew that these planets were white, okay? Now, I've never known a planet to be white, but like I said, I don't know much about it. But I shared it with my husband this morning. I didn't know that he knew all this stuff, but he said, yeah, he showed me how everything worked. And he said, when a planet gets closer to Earth, it appears to be white or bright white. He said, because it's reflecting off the sun. And then he talked about the gases in the heavenlies and how things work and how the planet works. And I was like, how did you know all this? And he's like, I've just always been interested in it. So that was a big confirmation for me because I knew for a fact that these 2 planets were white. One was bigger than the other. And the woman who told me this seemed very concerned. And the reason she was walking away from us is because she was going to tell somebody. She needed to let somebody know this information. She was very concerned, and I felt it was like some kind of warning. So what my husband said to me basically is he's like, all right, let's see what happens in 1 to 2 days. And I was like, all right. So that's how I'm going to play it out, guys, to be honest with you. But I'm sharing it just in case this is literal. And if any of you guys know of anybody that does or has had prophecies over the planets or anything of that sort, because like I said, I've just never been led to study that. God gives us each different things to talk about, to understand, and to share. And you guys know what I mean, okay? We all have different things. Mine was just never the study of planets or that along that line, okay? I hope this makes sense. But I know what I heard. I know what I saw. So I ask you guys to please pray for discernment. Please take this to the Lord and share with me anything that you have on this topic. Like I said, I did send this off to Mr. Begley because when it's something like this, I know that he would probably know or have some information on this. And I guess that's it, you guys. So again, she said very clearly, 2 planets are going to change in 1 to 2 days. All right, not anything else. She said they're going to change in 1 to 2 days. And it's kind of surreal, because it's like, wow, 1 to 2 days. So if this is literal, I'm just going to be watching. We know that, like I said, we know that the Bible said there would be signs in the sun, the moon, and the stars. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled and ask you guys again just to please pray over this. Let me know if you have any info to help me out. So I love you guys. I pray for you, and I will talk to you later.